awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life.
Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. Awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting. Man, this song, it's not gonna get out of my head. Please send help. So as you guys know, I am a huge fan of the iPhone SE, and Samsung actually has its own iPhone SE. The most sold smartphone from Samsung is actually not the Samsung Galaxy S20. It's actually the Samsung Galaxy A51, and I am super excited to check it out because this is the iPhone SE competitor. So I want to go ahead and see what it's all about. Is it good? Is it better than the iPhone SE? How do they stack up? Because the design, as you guys can see, it's got an edge-to-edge display. So I mean, let's go ahead and see what's in the box. We got a pretty not good unboxing experience. We get this pull tab over here, which we get the pin eject tool, and we get a bunch of paperwork. We get, what is this? We get earphones because this does have a headphone jack, and we get USB-C, and we get the power brick. So let's go ahead and check out the actual Samsung Galaxy S20. And here it is. Okay, the material definitely doesn't feel premium. Samsung actually calls this material Glastic, which is a mixture between plastic and glass. It feels weird. I mean, it doesn't feel like super premium, but it's fine. I mean, it looks good. I mean, look at this. It's actually got 4 cameras. It's got a 48 megapixel camera. It does portrait mode, and it does its own macro mode. So I'm super excited to actually test it out and compare it with the iPhone SE. All right, so I've officially set up the Galaxy A51. By the way, this is recorded with the iPhone SE. So how does it look? How does it sound? But yeah, it's got an in-display fingerprint reader, which, by the way, isn't the fastest thing in the world, but it works. It does the job. I'll let you guys know on the long time if it actually works. I've actually shot a couple photos with this phone. So here they are. What do you guys think of it? I think they're fairly good. Portrait mode, I think, isn't really that good. Once again, these are just my first impressions, so I'll let you know of everything else. Another thing that I noticed about this phone is that it's actually not the fastest thing in the world. Let's open this app, for example. Google Play, look at this. It's taking quite some time to just open an app. I don't know if this is just because it's the first time opening. Once again, I'll let you guys know on my full review. So yeah, my first impressions on the A51 are actually fairly good, way much better than I actually expected. I mean, this design is just phenomenal for $400. I mean, holy moly, I wish Apple would have done this on the iPhone SE. Performance is something that I absolutely love about my iPhone SE, but once again, I don't want to make this a comparison because that comparison will come. But if I have to compare the design, I mean, you know, the winner is clear. The A51 takes it on the lead, but the performance is something that I'm really worried about. I mean, it's taking a long time, and it constantly it's getting freeze. But once again, that's just my first impression. If you guys want my full review, of course, let me know in the comments down below. That will come next week. And yeah, once again, awesome screen, awesome camera, long-lasting battery life. Gosh, it doesn't go away.
That's life. That's life. That's what all the people say.